everybody, it's Jordan at Pure Hearing. And I thought it would be fun to try out Phonak's newest hearing aid, the Lumity, while I'm riding the dirt bike, while we're doing the Bear Lake 100. So the Lumity hearing aid is the newest RIC or receiver in the canal hearing aid from Phonak. It's got their latest and greatest technology in it. And I wanted to give her a test drive. It's fairly small. It's one of the smaller rechargeable, lithium-ion rechargeable hearing aids that are on the market right now. So it'll be interesting to see, how it fits with my helmet and everything. So we're taking the Phonak Adeo Lumity R, the rechargeable version, on a dirt bike ride tomorrow, and we're gonna see how they do. So, okay, so that's the hearing aid right there. We're gonna just slip the helmet on. Turn the music on. And it fits great. Music sounds good, and hearing aid's real comfortable on the ears. I don't even feel them. So good. Okay, so I am totally loving these hearing aids. The tap feature is awesome. It actually works with my helmet on. And all I do is I tap my helmet and the music comes on. It's awesome. So when I'm riding, easy to turn the music on and off just by tapping the helmet. So yeah, it's been awesome. They're comfortable. Haven't had any problems with them. Sound quality's great. Lunch was great. Yeah, just really impressed. And the Bluetooth signals, my phone's been in my backpack. No problems at all. It's never missed a beat. So far, I'm really loving them. Okay, wow, we just made it back from the ride. That was awesome. 100 miles, I'm dead. But the hearing aids aren't dead. They've been going strong all day. I don't know if you can even see them in my ear. Right back here. But helmet's on and off all day. Music, tapping the side of the helmet. Sound was good, lunch was good. It was awesome. So, 5 stars for the Phonak Lumity. I really like them a lot.